Neatly stacked finished towels ready for the next step. Various colors, sizes, and textures all made in-house. Efficient inventory management means faster delivery. Every towel has passed our strict quality control. From classic styles to custom designs, we deliver flexibility. Ready for OEM ODM cooperation, reliable and scalable. Want to learn more? Let's build something together.